Fun with numbers. Learn 1 to 100 with exciting examples and activities. For grade 1 kids, ages 4 to 7. Introduction. Welcome to the world of numbers. This book is designed to make learning numbers from 1 to 100 a fun and exciting adventure for young learners. With colorful illustrations, engaging examples, and interactive activities, children will not only learn to count, but also understand the importance of numbers in everyday life. Let's dive into the magical world of numbers together. Chapter 1, Numbers 1 to 10. Let's start counting. Objective: introduce numbers 1 to 10 with relatable examples and fun activities. 1. Example: one sun in the sky. Activity: draw one big sun and color it yellow. 2. Example: 2 eyes on your face. Activity: count your eyes and draw a face with 2 eyes. 3. Example: 3 wheels on a tricycle. Activity: draw a tricycle and count its wheels. 4. Example: 4 legs on a chair. Activity: count the legs on a chair in your classroom. Number 5. Example: 5 fingers on one hand. Activity: trace your hand and count the fingers. 6. Example: 6 eggs in a carton. Activity: draw a carton and color 6 eggs inside it. 7. Example: 7 colors in a rainbow. Activity: draw a rainbow and color it with 7 colors. 8. Example: 8 legs on an octopus. Activity: draw an octopus and count its legs. 9. Example: 9 planets in the solar system. Activity: draw the solar system and label the planets. Number 10. Example: 10 toes on your feet. Activity: count your toes and draw a pair of feet. Chapter 2, Numbers 11 to 20. Counting gets bigger. Objective: teach numbers 11 to 20 using fun examples and hands-on activities. 1. Number 11. Example: 11 players in a cricket team. Activity: draw a cricket team and count the players. 2. Number 12. Example: 12 months in a year. Activity: write the names of the months and count them. 3. Number 13. Example: 13 stripes on the American flag. Activity: draw a flag and count the stripes. 4. Number 14. Example: 14 days in 2 weeks. Activity: make a calendar and count the days. 5. Number 15. Example: 15 minutes in a quarter of an hour. Activity: draw a clock and show 15 minutes. 6. Number 16. Example: 16 candles on a birthday cake. Activity: draw a cake and add 16 candles. 7. Number 17. Example: 17 letters in the word 17. Activity: write the word and count the letters. 8. Number 18. Example: 18 wheels on a big truck. Activity: draw a truck and count its wheels. 9. Number 19. Example: 19 players in a football team, including substitutes. Activity: draw a football team and count the players. 10. Number 20. Example: 20 fingers and toes in total. Activity: count your fingers and toes together. Chapter 3. Numbers 21 to 50. Counting is fun. Objective: introduce numbers 21 to 50 with creative examples and interactive activities. 1. Number 21. Example: 21 dots on a dice if you add all sides. Activity: roll a dice and count the dots. 2. Number 30. Example: 30 days in the month of April. Activity: write the names of months with 30 days. 3. Number 40. Example: 40 seconds to brush your teeth. Activity: set a timer and brush your teeth for 40 seconds. 4th. Number 50. Example: 50 states in the USA. Activity: draw a map and mark some states. Chapter 4. Numbers 51 to 100, counting to the stars. Objective: teach numbers 51 to 100 using exciting examples and games. 1. Number 51. Example: 51 cards in a deck, including the Joker. Activity: play a card game and count the cards. 2. Number 75. Example: 75 years of independence for some countries. Activity: draw a flag and write 75 years. 3. Number 100. Example: 100 cents in a dollar. Activity: count 100 coins and make a dollar. Chapter 5. Fun activities and games. Objective: reinforce learning through games and activities. 1. Number hunt. Find numbers around the house, e.g., clocks, calendars, books. 2. Counting with toys. Count your toys and arrange them in groups of 10. 3. Number bingo. Play bingo with numbers from 1 to 100. 4. Number art. Create art using numbers, e.g., draw a cat using the number 3. Conclusion. Congratulations. You've learned to count from 1 to 100. Keep practicing with the fun activities in this book, and soon you'll be a counting champion. Remember, numbers are everywhere, so keep exploring and counting the world around you. This book is designed to make learning numbers engaging and interactive for young children. It combines visual learning, hands-on activities, and real-life examples to create a unique and enjoyable learning experience.